This is how to install a XT Pro fork to your JD Bug scooter. First of all, you need to unwrap your XT fork. Yeah, it should look a bit like this. Remove your bars and then your fork. To remove your bars, you undo the clamp or clamps, depends on how many you have, and then either you have to either twist them off, undo them, or just slide them off. Then to take your fork off, you will need to undo the headset bolts, which is pretty simple. You just undo the bolt and then the fork should just slide out. After you've taken off your stock fork and bars and all that, you will need to measure up your XT fork against your stock fork and cut it down to the same size, so then it will fit your JD Bug. Once you've kind of done everything, just install it as normal. Basically vice versa of taking your bars and forks off. And then you're ready to go. Just put your front wheel on. There you go. Ready. Hope this helps everyone. This was for skatehut.co.uk.